Hello. It is officially the start of the spooky season, and I'm here to bring you a spooky beveragino today. As a matter of fact, I wanted to make punch, and so we're gonna make freaking spooky punch today, okay? No. Oh, Frankenstein's monster. We're gonna be drunk after this. Bart, you are not a part of the spooky punch. Excuse you. Hi, it's Nurse from the future, where I have realized that I have a hauntingly bad wardrobe malfunction for much of the video. Now, while there wasn't any true slippage, it was a bit more than I'm comfortable with. So you and I both will have to deal with this hauntingly annoying wardrobe malfunction throughout the video. Spook you later. Want to have a good Halloween party this year? I want to make the spookiest, greenest punch you can. But first, we gotta go shopping.
Ah, come on.
To the store.
It's so dark.
It's so spooky.
Pumpkin.
I don't even move. Okay, but if it's like green and then we put freaking Frankenstein's monster peeking out, yeah, okay. Okay.
What are you doing? Milk.
This has more juice.
Stop. Hey, can I get a snack?
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's just...
You No. You can make a snack at home. Alright. We've got the goods. Hello. I got strawberries to be monster hearts floating in my punch. And then really, we got some other chunkies to float in there. Monster spleens. Got monster heads. It's a monster punch. I decided it's a monster punch. Soda water to make it a bubbly monster. Foamy monster punch. I got some, we're gonna do some egg whites. A sour monster punch, because it's got lemons in it. And then
Those figs?
I don't know what I'm gonna do with the figs, but there's figs. So we'll figure out something figgy. And then an onion. That's for on the side. Where's he helping? He's helping. Strawberries, Bart. What do you think? Bart, these actually are really good looking strawberries. That's nice. One of these, they're my monster hearts. Bart, what are you can't just chew on onion paper. Look, Bart, you don't get a stool anymore because all you do is sit there and bite me the whole time. If you had a room, I would tell you to go to it right now. Okay. You promised, Bert. No biting. Like, I feel like that looks like monster lumps.
You used to eat a monster heart?
Yeah. Part of mine.
Careful, there's a bag on the ground.
said careful.
Ooh. That's a good looking lemon. You didn't see that. Okay, don't laugh. Look at these figs.
Hey, remember when you dropped the lemon behind the trash can and completely missed the trash?
Oh, that's spooky looking.
Any bees?
I feel like I could work with that.
What are we putting this in?
Well, I was gonna put it on a trifle dish. I haven't got it down yet though. I'm gonna wash this. We're gonna be drunk after this.
Nice!
So, when formulating how to make the perfect party punch, it's important to consider balancing all your flavors. It needs to have a strong base. There needs to be the correct volume. Fill the jar, but not, not too much because you have to carry it to the location. You gotta be able to fit it in your fridge, okay? There's a lot to consider when making your party punch. And of course, if it's for a Halloween party, it needs to be a fun color, okay? Orange or green, maybe blood red. We're going green.
What do you need?
Well, I was thinking Midori. I'm gonna use the pineapple juice and the pineapple from the can. I've got lemon here, I've got soda water, and I was thinking rum and tequila. And egg whites. And I got simple syrup.
That does say simple.
Yep. Thanks. This is bourbon. This is apple brandy. What?
I don't care.
Can you open this? This is. Look at my poor hand. Should I run under some warm water?
No. What you doing up there?
Looking at booze. You know what? Why don't we use there's not very much, but let's use the rest of this. And then the rum.
Okay.
Oh, hi. Hi. Parfait Amour is going to go on the bottom for a layered look. That much. That's how much. Sure. We'll probably have to adjust this to taste later. And then I'm just gonna pour the rest of the vodka in here. Yep. Not the rest of this would be a lot of rum. So we're gonna do some rum and a good amount of Midori. We gotta make this green. Okay, so we'll give this a little taster runeski. It's gonna be real boozy. Okay. I'll put.
We have an ice pick. Don't do that with a knife.
I'm a professional.
Yeah, I can tell.
You got your ice in there. And now we can start putting our monster hearts. All right, put those in. Hopefully they don't all just immediately float to the top. I'm gonna call these tiger tongues, the figs. Little tiger tongues in there, because they look scary. Right, so spooky. Spooky tiger tongues. And now, pineapple. Which some of the juice is going into our mix. And then some of the chunks Monster spleens. And they're going in here. Now, I don't want too many chunks in, in the punch.
You don't like chewing your drink?
I don't want to, I want it there, but I want to be able to dodge them, which is kind of why I left things big. Now, the way to carefully layer it. Now, this obviously isn't like cold because I didn't shake it, but that's okay. I'm going to carefully that looks pretty cool with the purple on the bottom. And then I want to add foam on top. And to do that, I'm going to use egg white. But the thing is, you can't just shake egg white by itself. It needs to have some sort of acid with it. Otherwise, the protein won't set and they won't get fluffy. And then I want the foam to be green, so I'm going to add a little Midori in. And then ice. And then we shake. And then you shake again. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna add in my soda water. Time for the boat. Where did my spoon go? I don't know.
The ladle.
Ha 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 ha. I'm a witch. Voila. And we top it with our foam, which is looking so foamy. Spooky. I mean, this looks pretty gross. Like, it's very monstery. I do like the purple at the bottom. If you wanted to up the green, you could always add some green food coloring to make it like really intensely green. But considering this is all like its own flavors, I'm pretty pleased. Well, let's try it out. Got a tiger tongue in there. Oh, we're gonna get drunk, aren't we?
No.
And then little Frankenstein's monster. Look at that! It's so cute. Cheers. It's pretty tasty too. This is good. I drink this at a party.
That's good.
It'll be great. I've never actually done a punch bowl like this with putting just the egg white foam on top at the end, but I think it works really, really well for this kind of situation because it's so hard to, it would be impossible to do it all at once and like shake it all at once. There's also fee foam that you can use, which is a non-egg option that makes it foam. But overall, I'm pleased. I would call this a monstrosity for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely Monster Punch. I would serve this at my Halloween party. Have fun with the ingredients, you know? Do whatever you want. Let me know in the comments below. What if you like punch, if you're planning on a Halloween party, what kind of Halloween... Did you really just drink that? Babe.
There's more.
Bert, what do you think they should do? What's that, Bert? Like and subscribe? Bert? Are you sure? No, 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 don't. No. Stop it.
But I just want a little bit.
No.
Ow.
That's right, Bert. If you like what you saw here, you can see more over at our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/nursehuckleberry, where we're live Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, cooking up delicious things and drinking Monster Punch this week. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope you're having a wonderful spooky season, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Say bye, Bart.
Say bye, Bart. Bye. You're such a good little witch's cat.